What's up Ninja Guides family, this is me and I'm gonna show you my review about Odoo platform. So let's open up Odoo website. So for me, Odoo is a comprehensive open source business management software that offers a suite of applications including CRM, e-commerce, accounting, inventory, project management and more. User application is modular approach which allows businesses to tailor their system to their specific needs. The platform is praised for its flexibility, integration capabilities, and user-friendly interface. However, some initial reviews note that the initial setups and customization can be complex, potentially need expertise. So you might need a technical person to deal with your initial setup. But after that, overall, Odoo is well regarded for its scalability and robust feature set, particularly for small to medium-sized businesses. So that's my review for the Odoo platform. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. This is me signing off. Take care. Bye-bye.